Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the SistersLoves channel. Here I upload my daughter's reading and my learning to code journey. Currently, I'm learning Scratch programming language. In this lecture, we will learn the overview of Scratch blocks. As we know, Scratch has several categories like motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks, and each category has several puzzle pieces. So basically, the Scratch has four type of blocks. One, the top left side we have like move 10 steps, say hello, change, like that kind of blocks. It says command blocks. It has notches on top and bumps on bottom. And the next, the oval shape or like hexagonal shape, the pointed end. This kind of blocks is called function blocks. The shape of the function blocks indicates the type of data it returns. So like this, the pointed end, it's actually called Boolean expression blocks. Like it's ask whether true or false, yes or no. If we need to ask like if statement we need like if the condition is true, then we'll do, or if the condition is not true, we'll do like true or false. This is called the Boolean expressions. And the oval, these are also called functions. It returns some kinds of data. And this the round top, that kind of block, it's called the trigger blocks. Have a rounded top and run other blocks below them like this. Like every block is round beneath the trigger block. And this section, like control sections, we have the control blocks, like how we can control this, if we need to repeat it, or if we need to set any condition, then we need these blocks. It's called the control blocks. Sometimes the command blocks and control blocks together is called stack blocks because it stacks all together. So it's said stack blocks. Okay, so now we will learn how we can set the variable in a other puzzle pieces. So we'll learn this. So let me remove all these puzzle pieces here. Click close the sprites, the puzzle will start from the beginning. So I will choose a cat. Any sprites I can choose. Okay, let me check the dinosaur one. Okay, now we can learn how we can set the variable with some command blocks. So in the first we take the trigger blocks, the when green flag is clicked, then in the sensing section we have that ask. So we can change anything inside, but I'm good at whatever it has. Like when green flag is clicked, it will ask the number, then it will say hello, then name. So what we can do, hello, then we can set like say hello, then we can choose another hello, but this time we'll use the variable, it's called answer. So we'll choose answer. So now when the green flag is clicked, what's your name? It shows the what the asking. Now if I answer dinosaur, when I press the enter, the computer will store that variable as an answer, and then next the dinosaur, I said the say blocks, then dinosaur. Then it takes the variable from the computer and return as the answer. So how the variable works, if you need to store any informations, like even I can use different way, like not two blocks I'll use. I can use one blocks, like if I say blocks, but here in operators we have join apple banana. Basically we will not join apple banana. We'll set that these functions, join functions, we'll drag in there hello, it spans and set it. So here we'll use hello, then the banana section actually I will put the answer section here. Oh, sorry, not loudness, I want to use the answer. So, and if you want to make a sound like dinosaur, I want to ask it, we can go to the extension, we can use text to speech. Over the internet we have this, we can click that, and now we want not only ask, we want to speak as well. And I want to copy and paste, I want to let dinosaur speak same thing that I am asking, speak. And I will set the voice something like, let's see how the sounds work. Now I want to say same thing. Okay, so I want to speak the name hello, and here I will also join apple banana, and I want to speak hello, and here the variable answer. So now when a green flag is clicked, what's her name? Okay, there is wait, so I have to place the name. Kakuli, my nickname.
What's your name?
Hello, Kakoli.
See? But here I did one mistake. If I want him ask, if I said speak first, then show the result. So speak the, let's see how it works.
What's your name?
What's your name? Now I write down here. So any name, loves. When I enter, it will use that the answer variable will store that data.
Hello, SistersLoves.
They speak and they say. Okay, how the function blocks actually works. This is the end of this tutorial. Before next tutorial, we will learn some arithmetic operators and function. Okay, if you like my tutorial, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.